you are finished, answer is over. Others also should speak, na? Others need to give chance to others also.
In our classroom, some of the students are showing hyperactivity. So what can we do to?
I'll answer for it. We give them the extra work like brainstorming activities, puzzles. We engage in the classroom. Without those activities, he will be engaged in the classroom.
Yes, ma'am. Come Okay, now you can ask a question. Those are not sports. So
Should I ask a question?
you have asked one.
No, I did not ask.
वाह हो ನಂಗೆ ನಿಲ್ಲಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಮೊದಲು
Noise problem in the classroom. How to reduce noise in the classroom?
How to reduce noise?
Call ಮಾಡಿ.